Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best baby Halloween costumes for 12 to 18 months. The Rutoe My First Halloween Outfit. A newborn baby boy cosplay bat costume hoodie romper. This adorable romper is perfect for your little one's first spooky celebration and stands out for its thoughtful design and comfort. Made from a soft cotton blend fabric, this outfit ensures your baby stays cozy and comfortable during those chilly October days. The fabric is gentle on delicate skin and easy to care for, as it's machine washable. Its lightweight yet warm material makes it suitable for fall, Halloween parties, or even casual wear around the house. The design is what truly captures attention. This romper features a classic black color with subtle orange accents and a cute bat theme that's festive without being over the top. The hoodie is shaped with little bat ears, adding an extra layer of cuteness and charm. The romper also includes convenient snap closures along the legs, making diaper changes quick and hassle-free for parents. Size options are versatile, ranging from newborn up to 18 to 24 months, so you can find the perfect fit as your baby grows. Whether it's for a Halloween party, photo shoot, or just a fun family celebration, this romper is designed to be practical while still creating memorable moments. Beyond Halloween, the simple yet festive design makes it a great choice for other fall occasions like Thanksgiving or themed baby showers. It also works well as a gift for new parents looking to celebrate their baby's first holiday in style. Overall, the Rutoe My First Halloween Outfit combines comfort, convenience, and festive appeal. It's a playful yet functional choice that helps your little one stand out during the spooky season. If you're looking for a baby costume that's both cute and practical for the 12 to 18-month age group, this romper is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights and reviews. Have a happy and safe Halloween.